Hi, my name's Thomas Beatty. I work for Rocky Mountain River Tours on the Middle Fork of the Salmon. I currently live in beautiful Port Angeles, Washington. And my question is, what does this plan mean for outfitters that depend on salmon and steelhead?
So restoring, again, healthy salmon and steelhead runs will restore immense values to this great diversity of users. The ecosystem, the tribes, all of us for nutritional, recreational benefits for anglers, economic benefits for outfitters and communities like Salmon, Chalice, Stanley, etc. As salmon runs rebuild and steelhead runs, outfitters are going to see more diverse opportunities from more clients. So this is a photograph that was taken by the Smith family that are their longtime outfitters. These photos were taken in the 1970s. These are wild Middle Fork B steelhead. And what once was, here's some more photos of clients. Now here's a steelhead as large as your child. And this can return. And if that returned, imagine the value of a wilderness river trip in the Frank Church to fish for wild steelhead of this size. There's going to be a tremendous interest in this fishery for Chinook and steelhead once those runs are restored. So, I see this as a real boon not only to the outfitting community, but also all of the economies of all the river communities up and down the Salmon, the Snake, the Clearwater. As these anglers come in, they stay in motels, they buy equipment, they eat in restaurants, and then they also do trips with outfitters.